Hello, creators! Welcome back to The Content Creators, the channel where we explore tools, strategies, and secrets that make content creation easier and more powerful.
Ndewo, ndị okike, nọ na the content creators, ebe kacha elu unu maka ndụmọdụ, nkuzi, na ngwa ọrụ ga-eme ka imepụta ọdịnya ya dị mfe, nwa nwa, ma dịkwa amamihe.
Sannu masu kirkira, barka da dawowa zuwa The Content Creators, wurinku na daya don shawarwari, darussa da kayan aiki da za su sauƙaƙa hanzarta kuma su wayar da kai wajen kirkirar abin ciki.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ àwọn akọ́dá, ẹ kú àbọ̀ sí The Content Creators. Ibi àkókò yín fún àwọn ìmọ̀ràn, ìtọ́nà àti irinṣẹ́ tí ó mú ẹ̀dá àkónúrọ̀rùn, yárayára àti ọlọ́gbọ́n jùlọ.
Today, we're diving into something that is super exciting, how you can use AI to create text-to-speech in your local language or dialect. Now, we all know that English dominates the online space, but our local languages carry our identity, culture, and connection with our communities. Imagine being able to create podcasts, audiobooks, YouTube videos, or even short skits, all narrated in your mother tongue or dialect, without having to do the voiceovers yourself. This is no longer a dream. Thanks to AI, you can generate natural-sounding voices in languages like Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, Swahili, Twi, and many others around the world. And today, I'll show you step-by-step how to do it, so you can start making your own voice content in your language.
Now, let's talk about the tool we'll be using today, Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio is an online platform created by Google that allows you to use advanced AI models without needing to write complicated code. One of its most exciting features is text-to-speech, or TTS, meaning you type text and the AI speaks it out in natural-sounding voices. The best part? Google has been expanding its language support so you can now generate speech in many African, Asian, and regional dialects. That means you don't need to struggle to find voiceover artists. The AI does it for you.
To get started, open Google AI Studio. Go to aistudio.google.com, open it, and sign up if you don't have an account yet. After signing up, click on these three dashes to the left and select Generative Media. On the next interface, there are several options like Nano Banana, Imagen, Native Speech Generation, etc. But for this video, we are interested in native speech generation. Click on that. In the next interface, click on these dashes at the top right corner of this interface. Select the mode of your choice. For this video, I will select single speaker audio. If you want to do a podcast for multiple speakers, you can select multiple speaker. But we don't need that for now. I will select single speaker audio. Also, I will select the speaker of my choice. You can listen to all the voices and select the voice you think will resonate with your content.
When you are done selecting your preferred voice, close the interface. Go to ChatGPT to copy your already prepared script in your local language. Go back to Google AI Studio and paste the script. Then, click on Run. Wait for it to generate your audio in your preferred dialect. When it's done, listen to it. If you like it, download it to your device.
你好，创作者们，欢迎回到 The Content Creators。这是你获取技巧、教程和工具的第一空间，让内容创作更简单、更快速、更智能。Hola creadores, bienvenidos de nuevo a The Content Creators, su espacio número 1 para consejos, tutoriales y herramientas que hacen la creación de contenido más fácil, rápida e inteligente. Ẹ káàbọ̀ àwọn akọ́dá, ẹ kú àbọ̀ sí The Content Creators, ibi àkọ́kọ́ yìí fún àwọn ìmọ̀ràn, ìtọ́nà àti irinṣẹ́ tí yóò mú ẹ̀dá kóónú rọrùn, yárayára àti ọlọ́gbọ́n jùlọ.
So that's how you can use Google AI Studio to create text-to-speech in your local language or dialect. And before we wrap up, if you'd like me to show you how to lip-sync your AI-generated audio with avatars so they can speak just like a real presenter, let me know down in the comments. This is a game changer for creators who want to connect with their audience in a deeper way, preserve culture, and stand out from the millions of English-only videos online. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which language or dialect will you try this with first? Drop your answer in the comments below. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the content creators. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my next tutorial on powerful AI tools for content creation. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and let your voice be heard in your own language.